Animated movies have a unique way of captivating audiences of all ages. They transport us to fantastical realms, introduce us to endearing characters, and touch our hearts with compelling narratives. From classic fairy tales to futuristic adventures, animation has evolved into an art form that seamlessly blends imagination with storytelling. Now, imagine infusing artificial intelligence into the world of animation. Meet ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model. It's not just a tool for generating text, it's a creative collaborator that breathes life into characters, crafts dialogues, and shapes the direction of a story. This is where art and technology intertwine to create something truly extraordinary. Creating an animated movie using ChatGPT is a collaborative process that starts with a vision. Talented artists sketch storyboards, bringing characters and scenes to life visually. Meanwhile, developers and AI engineers fine-tune ChatGPT, training it to generate dialogues that resonate with the storyline. The AI suggestions spark ideas that fuel the creative team's imagination. Every great animated movie begins with unforgettable characters. With ChatGPT, character development takes an innovative turn. Writers input basic characteristics, and the AI takes it a step further, suggesting quirks, backstories, and dialogues that make the characters relatable and engaging. The result? Characters that feel as real as they are enchanting. When the script writing phase arrives, ChatGPT's magic truly shines. It collaborates with human writers, offering creative ideas, plot twists, and dialogues that elevate the story to new heights. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about amplifying it with AI-generated insights. The result? A narrative that's rich, captivating, and utterly unique. In the world of animation, synchronization is key. ChatGPT's AI-generated dialogues seamlessly integrate into the animation process, enhancing character interactions and dialogues. The creative team can experiment with different possibilities, ensuring that each scene resonates emotionally and intellectually with the audience. Harmonizing art and technology requires a delicate balance. The creative team collaborates closely, using AI-generated content as a foundation while infusing their human touch. It's a fusion of innovation and tradition that leads to a harmonious and captivating cinematic experience. And there you have it, a glimpse into the mesmerizing process of crafting an animated movie using ChatGPT. The magic of AI-driven storytelling opens doors to boundless creativity, taking us on adventures we've only dreamed of. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey where imagination knows no limits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Remember, the future of animation is a tapestry woven with human ingenuity and AI innovation. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep creating.